17 September 1950. Vadnagar, North Gujarat. A boy is born to Damodar Das Mulchand Modi and Hiraben. Their home, 40 feet long, 12 feet wide. Their livelihood, a tea stall near the railway station. His name, Narendra Damodar Das Modi. In Vadnagar's narrow lanes, young Narendra grew up helping his father at the tea stall. He studied at a local government school. He was a debater, acted in school plays, and spent hours in the town library. Teachers remember him as having a keen interest in reading and public speaking. In 1967, he completed his higher secondary education. Soon after, he left Vadnagar. For nearly 2 years, he travelled across India. By the early 1970s, he returned to Gujarat and began working with the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh. Narendra Modi's association with the RSS had begun at the age of 8. He was mentored by Lakshman Rao Inamdar, known as Vakil Sahib. By his 20s, he became a full-time pracharak. His routine was demanding. Morning shakhas, travel across towns and villages, training volunteers and organizing events. For him, organization became a way of life. In June 1975, Prime Minister Indira Gandhi declared the emergency. Civil liberties were suspended, opposition leaders jailed. Narendra Modi worked underground during this period. He coordinated safe houses, distributed pamphlets, and helped mobilize activists. When the emergency ended in 1977, he returned to public life, more deeply embedded within the Sangh network. In 1980, the Bharatiya Janata Party was formed. Through the RSS, Narendra Modi was assigned to assist the party. In 1987, he formally joined the BJP. That year, he managed the Ahmedabad municipal election campaign. The BJP won control of the municipal body, marking his first political success. Through the late 1980s and 1990s, Narendra Modi worked as an organizer for the BJP. He coordinated major yatras: the 1989 Lok Shakti Yatra, the 1990 Rath Yatra led by L.K. Advani, and the 1991 Ekta Yatra of Murli Manohar Joshi.
कन्याकुमारी में ली गई शपथ पूरी हुई और जोशी जी ने लाल चौक पर तमाम मुश्किलों को पार कर राष्ट्र के सम्मान का प्रतीक तिरंगा झंडा फहरा दिया।
टूट जाओगे कुछ न पाओगे, टूट जाओगे कुछ न पाओगे, मत विदेशियों पे कान दो, राष्ट्र की अखंडता खंड खंड हो रही।
By 1995, BJP won a majority in the Gujarat Assembly. Narendra Modi, working in the background, was recognized within the party for his organizational role. In 1995, he became BJP National Secretary. He was given charge of Haryana and Himachal Pradesh. In 1998, he was elevated to BJP General Secretary, Organization. From Delhi, he coordinated election campaigns across several states and interacted closely with the party's national leadership.
जब चुनाव होता है तो लोग वोट देते हैं सरकार चुनने के लिए, या तो वोट लोग देते हैं सरकार को हटाने के लिए। लेकिन यह पहला चुनाव ऐसा हो रहा है जिसमें सिर्फ वोट टू इलेक्ट नहीं है, सिर्फ वोट टू डिफीट नहीं है, पर लोगों के मन में एक नई धारा शुरू हुई है, वो है वोट टू पनिश। जिन लोगों ने देश पर करोड़ों रुपयों का बोझ लगा दिया, जिन्होंने एक अच्छी सरकार को हटा दिया, जिन्होंने एक अच्छे प्रधानमंत्री को हटा दिया, उनको पनिशमेंट देना, उनको सजा देना इस चुनाव के अंदर एक सबसे बड़ा अहम मुद्दा।
In January 2001, Gujarat was struck by a devastating earthquake. That year, internal challenges in the Gujarat BJP led the party leadership to bring Narendra Modi back from Delhi. 8 months later, he was sworn in as the Chief Minister of Gujarat. It was his first elected office.
અને હું ગુજરાત રાજ્યના મુખ્યમંત્રી તરીકેના
મારા કર્તવ્યો શ્રદ્ધાપૂર્વક અને અંતઃકરણપૂર્વક બજાવીશ.
In February 2002, a train carrying Hindu pilgrims was set on fire in Godhra. Violence followed across Gujarat. The state government headed by Narendra Modi was criticized for its handling of the riots. The matter was examined through inquiries and judicial scrutiny. In 2012, the Supreme Court appointed special investigation team reported insufficient evidence to prosecute him. The Supreme Court later accepted this finding. Narendra Modi remained Chief Minister for more than 12 years. He won successive assembly elections in 2002, 2007 and 2012.
હું નરેન્દ્ર દામોદરદાસ મોદી ઈશ્વરના નામે સોગંદ લઉં છું. ગુજરાત રાજ્યના મુખ્યમંત્રી તરીકેના મારા કર્તવ્યો શ્રદ્ધાપૂર્વક અને અંતઃકરણપૂર્વક બજાવીશ.
His government launched the vibrant Gujarat Investor Summits to attract global and domestic investment.
આપણો નવો મંત્ર છે ગુજરાત કેન અને ગુજરાતીઝ વિલ. ગુજરાત કેન, ગુજરાતીઝ વિલ. ગુજરાત કરી શકે અને ગુજરાતીઓ કરીને રહેશે. હું કહીશ ગુજરાત કેન, તમે હાથ ઉપર કરીને બોલજો ગુજરાતીઝ વિલ. ગુજરાત કેન.
The Jyoti Gram Yojana restructured rural power supply, separating household and agricultural feeders. Infrastructure projects expanded roads, irrigation networks, and industrial corridors. The Sardar Sarovar Dam advanced significantly. Supporters pointed to industrial growth, electricity coverage, and infrastructure expansion. Critics raised concerns about rural distress, farmer suicides, and malnutrition. In June 2013, the Bharatiya Janata Party appointed Narendra Modi as chairman of its election campaign committee. Later that year, he was declared the party's candidate for Prime Minister.
The Parliamentary Board of BJP met today and decided that Sri Narendra Modi will be our Prime Ministerial candidate for the coming Lok Sabha election.
मैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ताओं को, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के समर्थकों को ये विश्वास दिलाता हूं कि 2014 के चुनाव में भारतीय जनता पार्टी विजयी हो, उसके लिए परिश्रम करने में कोई कमी नहीं रखूंगा।
His campaign emphasized governance and development. Large rallies across the country marked his transition.
भाइयों बहनों, देश को उल्टी दिशा में ले गए लोग, देश को तबाह कर दिया है। और इसलिए भाइयों बहनों, मैं आपको वादा करने आया हूं और मैं आपको कहने आया हूं, हमारी सरकार का धर्म एक ही है, हमारी सरकार का एक ही मजहब है और हमारी सरकार का मजहब है इंडिया फर्स्ट।
From state politics to the national stage.
सरकार का एक ही धर्म ग्रंथ है, भारत का संविधान। सरकार की एक ही भक्ति है, भारत भक्ति। सरकार की एक ही शक्ति है, 1.25 करोड़ नागरिकों की शक्ति। सरकार की एक ही कार्यशैली है, सबका साथ सबका विकास। इसी मंत्र को लेकर के आगे बढ़ना है। भाई भतीजेवाद से मुक्ति के लिए
वोट फॉर इंडिया,
भ्रष्टाचार से मुक्ति के लिए
वोट फॉर इंडिया,
एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत के लिए
वोट फॉर इंडिया,
विकास की राजनीति के लिए
वोट फॉर इंडिया।
On 16th May 2014, results were declared. The Bharatiya Janata Party won 228 seats in the Lok Sabha.
BJP Parliamentary Board hails the verdict given by the people of India in the general election 2014. The people of India have spoken and spoken decisively. For the first time since independence, a non-Congress political party has got a majority on its own. The NDA has got an overwhelming mandate to govern.
It was India's first single-party majority in 3 decades.
कांग्रेस ने अपनी उपलब्धियों, नीतियों और सिद्धांतों के आधार पर इस चुनाव में अपने विरोधियों का सामना किया, फिर भी वह समर्थन हमें नहीं मिला जिसकी हम आशा कर रहे थे। हम ये मानते हैं कि लोकतंत्र में हार जीत होती रहती है।
I wish the new government all the best. From my part, Congress party has done pretty badly. There's a lot for us to think about. And as Vice President of the party, I hold myself responsible for what has happened.
From Vadnagar railway station to Gujarat State Assembly, Narendra Damodar Das Modi's journey had reached its next chapter.
मैं पूरे देश के सभी नागरिक भाइयों बहनों का हृदय से अभिनंदन करता हूं, धन्यवाद करता हूं कि हिंदुस्तान के हर कोने से भारतीय जनता पार्टी को आशीर्वाद मिले। शायद ही देश में किसी ने सोचा होगा कि कांग्रेस के बिना भी कोई दल अपने बलबूते पर पूर्ण बहुमत लेकर के शासन में आ सकता है। आजादी के बाद ये पहली घटना है कि ऐसा दल सत्ता में आया है जिसका गोत्र कांग्रेस का नहीं है, जिसकी सोच कांग्रेस की नहीं है।
The boy who once helped at a tea stall was set to become the 14th Prime Minister of India.
मैं नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा। मैं भारत की प्रभुता और अखंडता का अक्षुण्ण रखूंगा। मैं संघ के प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में अपने कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धापूर्वक और शुद्ध अंतःकरण से निर्वहन करूंगा।
This is the story of Narendra Modi before 2014.